Welcome back to our tutorial series on setting up master data in Zometric's online real-time SPC software. In the last video, we covered production equipment or processes. In this video, we'll walk through how to configure parts, also referred to as materials or items, depending on the terminology used in your industry. Before we proceed, let's first understand what qualifies as a part in Zometric. A part represents a distinct design, formulation, or assembly with a fixed set of specifications and attributes that define its identity. It can be a raw material, an intermediate component, or a finished product, depending on its role in the manufacturing process. Now, let's set up a part in the software. Start by opening the Zometric Real-time SPC Module, then go to Menu, Configure, and select Parts. Click on Add Part in the top right corner of the page. Enter a unique name for the part. The part description is optional, so you can fill in any additional details if needed. Once done, click Save in the bottom right corner. And that's it. You've successfully set up a part in Zometric. Thanks for watching. In the next video, we'll discuss variable characteristics. See you there.